So what has Tribe made possible for me? Well, the big thing is I actually launched. So I joined Tribe last year. I've been working one-to-one for umpteen years, a couple of decades, including VIP, top end. But although I looked at other people's programs and got their support and things to try and get a membership going, none of them really propagated details. Then I heard about Stu and Tribe, and I signed up last year. Amazing. Family drama happened, and my unclarity about my actual exactly what I was going to offer happened. Consequence, delayed. This year began Tribe course. Had given myself a date before we began Tribe again, and yes, I launched it. I launched with a founders launch. However, I did it as a monthly or annual option. 12 people signed up. They're really keen. It's been running for 2 weeks. We're working closely together. They're all participating. They're loving getting to know each other. And I'm very excited. I'm about to set the date for my next launch, which will be the next price up, and offering more, building content madly, filming it in places like this in the south of France, Provence, which is where I spend my springs. So tying in my rather lovely traveling lifestyle as a backdrop to these videos. So I just want to send enormous thanks to Stu team. Love the clarity, love the course, love the steps, incredible support, all your amazing team and all the new stuff you're offering and then with your team. And the 10/10s, of course, are unbelievable. Have to stop myself from getting distracted for doing coursework just because I enjoy them so much. So it's an amazing journey, and I'm still working through some of the details, but I didn't have to finish the course to be able to get the founders launch happening. So thrilled with what's happening. I'm now working it out with my people. Wonderful. Thanks. Ciao from Provence.